Thank you for choosing Rainpoint Automatic Watering System. Today I'm going to show you how to use our new Wi-Fi water timer. There are two units inside the box. A water timer and a Wi-Fi hub. With the new Wi-Fi water timer combination and the Rainpoint app, we can control your watering plan anytime, anywhere. Next, I'm going to show you the step-by-step installation of the system. First, before using, we need to pair the products with the app. Plug the Wi-Fi hub into an outlet. Hold the button until the LED light blinks. On the Rainpoint app, click Add Device. Go to Smart Irrigation. Click the Irrigation hub. Confirm indicator rapidly blinked, and connect to your local Wi-Fi. Now you're connected. Before connecting the water timer, please insert 4 AA batteries. From the home screen of the Rainpoint app, click Irrigation Hub. Click Manage Added Devices. Add more devices. Hold the black button in the middle of the water timer and hold until the LED light blinks. Now you can click Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blinked. Wait for it to connect. Your water timer is now connected. Now that you have successfully paired your devices, go to the Rainpoint app home screen. On the home screen, you will now see 3 icons. The first icon is the Irrigation Hub. The Irrigation Hub controls all of the devices. One Irrigation Hub can hold up to a total of 4 water timers. The second one is the Wi-Fi socket. The Wi-Fi socket is an additional feature. Here, you can plug in another device and turn it on and off with this icon. The third is the water timer icon. The water timer icon is where you set all of your schedules for your water system. From the home screen, click the Wi-Fi water timer icon. Here, you will see that this displays your battery status, the mode, next irrigation, and your previous irrigation water usage. The second icon is a manual cycle setting. Here you can choose between 1 minute and 60 minutes for an additional cycle. Slide the green circle to whatever time you would like to set and click Start for an additional water cycle. The third icon is your water schedule plan. Here you can choose between 3 plans. Click Plan A. Here, you can set the time it starts, which you can set to 8 a.m. by clicking the green arrow on the right side of the screen. Then you can set the duration. Here we'll set it for 30 minutes. Now you can decide what days you would like to water. Here we're going to choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. When you're finished, click Save. Now, when you return to the previous screen, you will see that A has a green icon on the right of it now. And above, at the schedule, you can see 3 yellow dots underneath the days. The fourth icon in your Wi-Fi water timer button is the soil sensor. The soil sensor allows you to track soil humidity and temperature for the last 10 days. To use the soil sensor, insert the batteries on the back of the soil sensor. Once you've inserted the 3 AAA batteries, click the black button until the red light on the front of the soil sensor illuminates. Now, when you go back to your phone, you can see that you have a 10-day history of your soil humidity and temperature. The last icon in the Rainpoint app is the My icon. Here, you can find instructions, contact information, and the current version your system is running. Those are all the basic functions of the Rainpoint app. As you can see, it is very easy to use. Additionally, we have local weather information as well as smart automation function waiting for you to explore. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.